Oh, we got stuff here. It's pretty far away.
He's a very busy boy. He knows how to bring it right there. He likes to dump it out. And then he likes to use the blue thing as a drum. Not the most traditional method of using the drum, but nevertheless, it's Brennan's way. And then there's the mask he uses for his breathing treatments, which kind of makes a good teething device. I'm taking your video, sweetie, because I want your other grandparents to see you.
He's such a ham.
You're so busy. I want your Grandma Lynn and Grandpa Ivan to see you in all your glory. You are such a busy fellow. Brennan.
You'd think they didn't feed him.
Oh, sweetie. That's why they make child-proof caps. That'd be a good thing to hit the drum with. Says, something's wrong here. Good job, Holden, giving him support, Grandpa B.A. Sweetie. Get down here and see your face. You are one busy little fellow. You can't have the camera. So are you frustrated? You like his drum back, Grandpa.